folks, Aaron here from Beansprout. I have a baritone ukulele to show you today. That's tuned D, G, B, E, like the smallest 4 strings on a guitar. This one is for John. He's a repeat customer from England. The body is some beautiful curly myrtle. Myrtle grows on the west coast of the United States here. Really nice looking stuff. Cool book match in it. The neck is some salvaged mahogany. This is from a beam that was supposed to be used in somebody's house. And it's got pistachio everything else. Kind of a pinkish look, which is a cool contrast. And then John is a woodworker too, and he admired some of the carving I did on an article I wrote about carving wheat patterns on a saw handle. So he asked me to do some carving on his, so I carved the back of his headstock like it was a saw handle. And yeah, it's real solid feeling. It's got a real long sustain. I really like it. Yeah, I'm really pleased with it. It's got a pickup in it. It's got our custom string set on it, bone nut and saddle. It's ready to go. This is number 1014. Cheers.